Hey everybody, Quadrajet Power here. Today we are going to talk about removing and replacing the power piston retainer, the PPR part on Quadrajet Power. As you can see, this one on the Quadrajet here, it just slides on and off, it's not sealing. So in order to make this seal and have the air horn easier to put on, there's many reasons why we want this to seal, but we're going to show you how to remove it and then replace it with a new part. As you can see, this one is quite old. Shrunk. It has shrunk and it is not sealing. In order to remove the old piston, power piston retainer, what we're going to do is just chop it like so. I like to use these. Makes it easier to grip, and just slice that off. Sometimes you have to do it a couple of times. There we go. And it's removed. The new power piston retainer, PPR, on the Quadrajet site, they have a perforation on the side. As you can see, there's a little notch here. A lot of times when it's manufactured, that notch doesn't always get cut through. So we're just gonna make sure that that's clear. You can use this same tool, or you can use a knife if you just want to slice that to make sure that that's open, and then we're going to be able to slide it right onto the arm. Like this. We will edit this out and redo. So you just slide it right on after you've made that perforation, and it just slides right on. And then once you put it into the body of your carburetor, it should seal. Once the spring is in there as well, there's many other steps, but it'll seal now into this hole. And that's how you remove and install a new power piston retainer.